Hello everyone, I am Fudini and I want to welcome you on my Steem PL. We prepared for you video tutorials that will make your journey through Steem much more easier. In today's video we will learn about what is Steem Blockchain and about its main features, so let's start. Steem Blockchain is a decentralized social platform which uses rewarding other authors for publishing high-quality content. But how it actually works? Let's talk about 5 main features that make this technology so unique. Number 1. What's happened on the blockchain remains on the blockchain. All your actions are stored in a digital blocks which sequence create blockchain Steem. You cannot delete posts, transactions or other activities that will be written in the block, so all your posts, photos and articles remain in the one place and you have access to them at any time. You don't have to worry about hosting or paying for the domain because until the servers are working, this data will stay in the Steem blockchain and can be removed. Number 2. There is no central unit. It means there is no single person or administrator who can shut down the blockchain. The stability of the networks is provided by a group of witnesses from all over the world who sharing their servers so that everything runs smoothly. What's more, even if one of the servers stops working, it won't affect the network because the rest of them keep it running. Number 3. There is no censorship. Because there is no single moderator, there is no way to control the content that appears on the blockchain. You can publish anything you want and nobody can forbid you from doing so. The function of the moderator is given to every member of our community. So if you post offensive, illegal or unethical things, other users can use flags to hide your content. We will talk more about flags in a separate tutorial, but long story short, this is the option that any user can use if he or she thinks that your content violates the social standards. If you receive a flag or several flags, your post will be hidden and you won't get a reward for the publication. Number 4. Steem rewards its users. Blockchain Steem is a technology that will be used in the social media of the future. By posting materials on this platform, you receive upvotes from the community that have a real value. If you make sure that your content is interesting, unique and prepared in an attractive way, you can count on it that it will be appreciated by other users and you will earn extra money by preparing articles related with your passion. Number 5. Your money is safe. Every transaction on Steem blockchain is safe. You can be sure that if it has been written in the block, it will reach its destination for sure. But that's not all. The transfer is not only secure but also almost instant. There is also no fees for transfers in blockchain Steem, so you won't pay a single penny for sending your money to another user of Steem wallet. So now you know how it works and what features has the Steem blockchain. In the next tutorials we will talk about the rewards you can get for creating high quality content. If you don't want to miss them, be sure to follow our profile on steem.com and subscribe to our newsletter. Thanks to this you will receive new useful tutorials that will make your journey through Steem much more easier. So see you soon in the next videos. May the Steem be with you. Bye!